Morning, guys. It is a nice chilly morning this side over here in California. Gonna be heading out to go do some race truck stuff. So morning, I have a nice cup of Joe ready for me and I'm headed out. We'll see you on the road. What's up, guys? Out here at the BTF, out in the backyard here, on the side yard I should say, the shop where the truck resides. Brandon's laying down some beads, reinforcing some frame supports around the shackles. I'll take you over, check out my new shackles. So, look at those bad boys. Ooh, just got a little paint on them. Pretty crazy looking monster shackles. There's some reference, it's like a little bit longer in my hand, but quite beefier. So that's pretty cool. Pretty stoked. Shining up the cage a little bit. You can see. And Brandon's getting after it. Alright guys, working most of the morning, setting up the cage. Looking a lot better. A little bit of that fuel cell holder to do. See, it's kind of took a little brown tinge, but it's looking a lot better. So, what's going on today? Dan, see your bumper. Look, I get to touch the Nissan race truck. Oh, from all the way across the U.S. Still working though. Some shack one install. Ooh, buddy. We got a shiny parter in there. We finally got shiny parts. Right above the. Well guys, this is about the end of it. As you can see, we got rear axle hung down. Kind of scoping out some how to hang the rear shocks, how that's going to look like. Pretty much done for the day. I'm going to call it quits, head home. I'll live a little ways away, so don't want to hit that LA traffic. But let's go take a quick look at what else these guys are building out here. You can see, pretty sweet Chevy projects going on. Similar to what I'm gonna be running my truck. So that's what's going on right now. It's a little helter-skelter here, parts everywhere, but controlled chaos, as they say. So that's it. Kind of tired. A lot of this today. A lot of tube polishing that tube today. So I'm a little exhausted, but it was a good day. It's fun to finally just get my hands on the truck, pull some stuff out of it. Weight saving. Check out all this weight saving stuff. Yeah, window regulators.